Imagine looking at your annual performance review. Your numbers are good, your manager likes you, but you are told your job is at risk. Not because you failed to do the work, but because you did not use AI enough to do it. It sounds like a sci-fi dystopia, but in Silicon Valley this is a new reality. Today we are looking at AI mandate hitting big tech and why, despite the carrots and sticks, the total job collapse everyone is screaming about might actually be a myth. We've moved past AI is a cool toy phase. Now companies, from tiny startups to giants like Meta and Google, actively enforcing its use. Take AWS. Managers now have access to the dashboards that tracking exactly how much AI the developers are using. While Amazon says it's not officially a part of a performance review yet, let's be real. If you're up for promotion, but you're not all in on AI, then you're staying where you are. At Meta and Google, that's even more direct. They're tracking lines of code written by AI. And Salesforce is even more blunt. They've integrated AI into the most basic tasks. You want to request a day off? Well, you have to negotiate about it with AI agent. So the message is clear. If you're not using AI tools, you are underperforming. And it's not just the veterans feeling the heat. It is changing how people get hired. Seth Besmertnik, the CEO of startup Conductor, openly admits that he uses carrots and sticks. If you interview there, you will be tested for prompting skills. No AI fluency, no job. But there is a carrot as well. He created an award where the employee who creates the best AI-driven process wins the vacation stipend worth thousands. So why this aggressive push? Is it because AI is better? Well, not exactly. Tech giants like Microsoft and Google are spending billions on their tech, and they need to prove a return of investments. And if Google can't convince their own engineers to use Gemini, how can they sell it to you? This all sounds terrifying. If companies are forcing AI on us, does it mean that global intelligence crisis is here? Is the human work obsolete? Actually, the data says the opposite. If we were on the brink of mass unemployment, we would see the vertical spike of daily AI usage. But data shows that daily AI usage is actually relatively stable. We often confuse technology with the economy. Yes, software can improve overnight, but businesses, no. They move on the S-curve. Adopting new tech is expensive, slow and complicated. And there is a physical limit as well. AI lives in data centers. It needs chips and massive amount of energy. And here is a catch. As the demand of AI grows, the cost of power goes up too. And if running AI eventually becomes more expensive than just paying a human to do the same work, businesses won't make the switch. That's a natural price ceiling on the automation. And we've been here before. Remember when Microsoft Office was released? People thought that the automated spreadsheet will end the office work. Instead, it just became a tool that made us more capable. Back in 1930s, economists predicted that by now we would only work 15 hours a week because we would be so productive. And they were right about the tech, but wrong about us. Humans don't just stop and relax when things get easier. They create new industries, demand higher quality, and increase the consumption. So where does it all leave us? The age of optional AI is definitely over. As the CEO of Autodesk recently warned, the few people who refuse to use the AI tools won't survive in the industry long term. But this doesn't mean that robots will take your paycheck. And with an aging of population and slowing down of global economy, AI might actually be arriving in a perfect time. Not to replace us, but give us a boost to keep moving. And that's it for today. And of course, I want to hear from you. Does your boss track your AI usage line by line? And how do you feel about it? Leave the comments below the video and let's talk about it. And if you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Stay tuned and see you in the next videos.